What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today got this new product in from Capuride. I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox this and see what all it entails. All right, so let's get this thing open and see what they got in it. Oh, we get greeted with a big ass screen right from the jump. That is a thick display there with a bunch of ports and other stuff on it. That's cool. Looks like we have a mount. Another mount of some type, I guess, where you want to stick it on your dashboard or screw it in. Cool. We have a cable to plug into 3.5, and it looks like the power source there. The manual, we never read that. And another sticky pad to stick down, suction cup down, if you want to use that mount. I'd probably use this because you can at least stick this on a window or do other stuff with it. But let's take another quick look at this thing. So this is supposed to be like an Apple CarPlay / Android Auto device. It'll allow you to do different things. You see AV out, camera in, so you can plug a camera into it, a microphone for whatever that would be. And you see your SD card slot. It'd be cool to like watch movies or just to have a second display, or if you have an older vehicle that does not have a display, this will give you that Apple CarPlay ability. So there you guys have it. I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys want to check one of these out, and I'll have an installation video on this very soon. I'm probably going to throw it in the Petty Roosevelt just to have the extra screen from the passenger side, so stay tuned for that. But again, just a quick unboxing, taking a look at it. They sent this thing out for review, so I appreciate it. And yeah, we'll get it set up and we'll see what it's about.